worry, be happy. Don't worry, be happy.
What it do, Thomas fam? It's your favorite mother Tisha, and we back with another video. How y'all feeling? How y'all doing? Hey. So today it is about 8:30. I'm about to get myself together because I gotta go get an oil change. I gotta do adult things. I gotta get an oil change. I gotta go to Target. And today we're gonna be trying a fast food restaurant that, I mean, y'all saw it in the title. But we're gonna be trying a restaurant that we've never tried before today. Because, like, we really wanna know, like, is Arby's good? Who's keeping Arby's doors open? We really want to know. So today we're gonna take that journey.
I can see y'all soon.
Okay, y'all, so I have downloaded this Arby's app. I'm about to place an order so we can try a few things. And I don't know. Comment down below if you've tried anything from Arby's, or if you like Arby's, what's your favorite thing from Arby's. I think I want to go with one of these. I think I'll do that one. Hold on, y'all, trying to see that. Okay, now let's see. I know they're known for like their roast beef, but I really don't like roast beef sandwiches. So let's see. See what the kids want. Braylon, what do you want to try? Whoa, why is it not focusing? What do you want to try from Arby's?
Oh, I'm about to just try this chicken tender.
Why is it not focusing?
Oh, they don't have the Italian top.
Girl, I don't know, it might be on there. You just gotta probably look for it. Unless it was like a limited time thing.
Probably.
Alright, y'all, so we have added some safe things to our, cart. We got a buffalo chicken wrap, curly fries, mozzarellas. I got a chocolate shake and a buffalo chicken slider. And then, of course, we're going to use the coupon because we never pay full price, ever. So me and Dion are about to go pick this stuff up. We also gotta go to the market because we gotta get dinner. DJ said he wanted buffalo chicken pasta, so we're about to get the stuff for that. You said what? It's always pasta. I don't know. So we're about to get the stuff for that. Camera's about to die, so I will be back when we get back from the market and from Arby's. Okay, y'all? Alright, guys, so I ordered a milkshake. They ain't had no milkshake, so I gotta call for a refund. But I did get a salted caramel cookie. This battery about to die, I forgot. Hold on. Alright, we back in action. We got some curly fries here. Huh? We got some mozzarella sticks. And it came with some marinara. And we got marinara. We got a buffalo chicken slider and a buffalo chicken wrap. So I guess at this point I'm gonna try this stuff by myself because because so he just wanted mozzarella sticks. So I'm gonna try this. The slider.
Well, that don't look too bad.
This is the slider.
Maybe that's because I had no meat products.
You had something for that?
Some I have.
Oh yeah, that's why I know. Oh boy.
There we go. It's not as saucy as it was in the picture.
Nothing looks like a picture.
Nothing looks like a picture.
I remember Harlan had the meatball.
But let me see. I like the bread. It's soft. It's good. I'm back.
You gonna keep going to Arby's?
No, I'm not finna pull up at Arby's. I don't really eat fast food like that. No, it's not King's Hawaiian.
No.
Just bite it. Give me my fucking.
Oh, camera, Taysha.
I forgot.
Buffalo Wild Wings is better.
Curly fried. Oh, hold on.
I had the curly fries. They be good.
Curly fries.
I be getting them from the market. Remember I was getting them from the market?
Yeah, they good to stop.
You ain't like them?
Can't mess up curly
I
fries.
don't like curly fries.
What? I would eat them. They're like.
Brandon's trying a mozzarella stick.
Let me try.
It's not bad.
Just like a regular buffalo chicken sandwich, you know.
They copied the Buffalo Wild Wings recipe, that's why.
Bruh.
It's a little spicy.
What?
And
That's a burrito?
no, it's a buffalo chicken wrap. Come on.
Buffalo, I ain't eating that.
Oh. How are the mozzarella sticks?
Too hard, not more cheese.
Too hard. It's too much bread in. So here's the buffalo chicken wrap. This camera focus is ticking me off. Whatever.
Over there. That's what I want to pay for.
Yeah.
That's not right.
Hey, bro.
That's what we watched last night.
What?
Oh, I have tomato.
Oh yeah, you gotta take the tomato
The
out.
what movie?
The Mario movie.
Oh.
That's what we was watching last night.
Let me try one of these mozzarella sticks. Are you gonna eat the rest of that?
What?
Huh? Are you gonna eat the rest of that?
Yeah.
Apple TV.
It's good. It's just
Buy
chicken.
Yeah.
I know Redbox got it for
Hard
$1.
to mess up buffalo chicken.
Like I said, I don't like roast beef. DJ had some ham and cheese thing from there before, so he ain't like that.
My boss is like down the street though. Shit, perfect.
Mozzarella sticks kind of taste a little stale.
We played
That's
today.
why I meant to say they were a little too hard.
Said we played today.
We did.
But it's a mozzarella stick. Can't really.
Yeah, you can.
I mean, you can,
Burger
but
and cheese.
how you like it, Beach?
The sauce is disgusting.
It's marinara. It tastes like regular marinara.
I don't like curly fries either way.
These daddies anyway, so. Here you go, babe.
What was that?
Curly fries.
Oh, I just want some of them.
You about to watch the PGA Championship?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god.
Overall,
This is our dinner.
this is the safe.
Fuck no.
No, it's not.
Simpsons.
This is the safest stuff we got. on the
Taco
menu.
Bell dominates.
Ew, no, it doesn't.
Yes, it is. That
I'll eat
Chipotle
Arby's
wrap.
over Taco Bell any day.
That Chipotle wrap that Daddy got is so good. Well, I got it too. It was a burrito. Though. It was so good. Oh my god. And those cheesy, those natural fries.
Taco Bell not that bad.
I don't like Taco Bell.
We didn't try the cookie.
Daddy always was.
We're gonna try the cookie.
Oh, it's stop.
I like it.
We should do cheers and. Not as good as a fresh cookie, but it's really good.
As what first cookie?
As a fresh cookie, I meant.
Oh,
But it's really good.
it's soft.
I know, I said it's not as good as a fresh, warm cookie. Really hot, warm.
When you call
It's really good.
It's good to me.
right,
Yes, it's soft.
trick.
I don't eat the crust of the cookie.
Of the stuff we got, I give Arby's a. I give them a 7 because gosh darn, milkshake machine was down.
I have the 8 because that cookie's so good.
I feel like it's not a fair assessment though, because we didn't get the stuff that they promote the most. We got basic stuff that.
Because nobody likes beef.
But I don't like a roast beef sandwich, and I don't eat
roast beef.
like ham and cheese
I
sandwiches.
refuse to eat
I don't even eat ham.
I watched YouTubers eat them the other day.
The roast beef sandwiches.
All of the food combined. The reason I was
Oh, the meat mountain.
throwing up in my car. I ain't eating that. Disgusting.
But what we got was good. Like, I'm not gonna say like I don't eat fast food like that though, but I'm not gonna say, oh, let me run to Arby's. Give me a buffalo chicken slider.
Something like if everything's like closed, okay, we can go to Arby's. Taco Bell more.
But yeah, I'll give me some curly fries and a slider.
I'll get a cookie.
I mean, DJ, stop being a Debbie Downer
Not happening.
For what?
with your piss poor attitude.
We're not going back to Arby's.
DJ's a Debbie Downer.
Was this a healthy meal?
I don't know. But try it for yourself. Currently watching this Lakers game.
No, we're not.
What do you mean? It's right there. You're wearing a jersey. You got the jersey sitting next to you. We're watching the Lakers game. See how it goes.
There we go. Aaron Gordon shoot because he has a buck. He can't shoot. He has a buck, but he can't shoot. 3 fouls. There we go. But you can't have that many rebounds because that's possessions. Because if I'll rebound you 17 times, I mean I can shoot 17 times more than you. That makes sense, right?
Mhm.
So if I rebound, how many more times? I can shoot more times.
Mhm.
So that's why I'm getting killers. That was not a foul. That's cool. We had a foul here. Stop recording.